This 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 truck SLT that we just got into, Dick says yes, Vancouver is a must-see. This Ram 1500 truck has a 4.7-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine that is all business. It comes with an engine hour meter, digital audio input, in-dash single CD player, and provides you with a sense of security with its safety features, including passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes and more. We would love to talk to you more about this Ram 1500 truck. Please contact us for more information.